Last week I attended the Manchester Cleaning Show 2018. This is a fantastic cleaning industry event that alternates each year between Manchester and London. There's so much to do during these 2 days. There's lots of product demonstrations going on. You can see releases of new products and new cleaning solutions. All of the big names in the cleaning industry are there, and you can go up to the company and talk to them about their products, their solutions, their techniques. There's plenty of networking opportunities, so you can speak to other business owners and industry professionals and get lots of advice. There's freebies. There was a big red bus that you could go and get coffee in and chat to people, and you could learn about different techniques to improve your cleaning business. And there was also plenty of games that I got roped into. Here you can see me at the floor by stand having a great time and playing another game here at Karcher. Whilst I was there, I had the opportunity to speak to the experts in the cleaning industry, and I wanted to ask them what was their one tip for starting a successful cleaning business. I've interviewed a lot of people, but stick around to the end and I'll give you my final thoughts on what all of these experts had to say. Hi, I'm here with Beryl. She's the General Secretary at the FWC. And tell us what the FWC is, Beryl.
We're a trade association to represent the window cleaning industry.
Perfect. And can you tell me what is your number one tip if someone came to you today and said, how do I start a cleaning company?
Well, if they're a novice and need help and advice, then I'd recommend joining a reputable trade association to give them lots of helpful advice.
I'm here with Stephen from the Domestic Cleaner Alliance. He's the director, and I have just asked him, what is your number one tip for starting a cleaning business?
It's always going to be, Daisy, try and be as business-like as possible. We're not all natural business people. I never had a business before I started mine, but I've had to learn. And it's really important to look at it always as a business. Everything that you do, you need to calculate to see how much money it's making you, look at what you're spending, look at what you're making at the end of it. Is what you do worth doing? And if it's not, you need to review whether or not you can do it differently to make it more profitable.
Hello, I am here with Allan Simmons from the NCCA, and also who runs Get Booked Up, which is a software for the cleaning industry. Allan, what is your number one tip for starting a cleaning business?
I think the number one tip that I learned in the early days is make sure that every client knows about every service that you offer. I was in the embarrassing situation of pulling up to clean a lady's carpet that we cleaned before, and there was a carpet cleaner's van in front of me, and the lady just had somebody else clean the suite before I went to clean the carpet, because she didn't know that I cleaned upholstery. So the number one tip is make sure every client knows about every service that you offer. I'm with Daniel from Vaclensa, and Daniel, what is your one tip for starting a new cleaning business?
I would advise people who want to start a cleaning business two things really. You need to make sure you've got the right kit, and you need to make sure you've got the right service package to go with that kit. The last thing you want is to have a machine, promise the client the world, and get 3, 4, 5 months down the line and find your machine's broken. Firstly, that's going to cost you a fortune to replace, and second of all, you could save the money if you had the right service package in place.
Great, and how can someone find the right kit? What research should they be doing?
The best research you need to do is do a survey of your client's site, find out exactly what they're going to be doing in terms of area and types of cleaning to be carried out, and then do your research into the marketplace, who's going to offer you that correct product at the most competitive price.
Hello, I'm here with Denise. She's the technical manager at BICSc. And Denise, what is your advice for someone starting a cleaning company?
Right. When you come into our industry, you really need to know the basics. And the basics include the safe use of products, safe storage, the safety checks for the machinery.
Have a nice vehicle, get it sign written, important. You're looking professional, get a uniform. Both wear the uniform. Tops,
so look
sign,
the part
look
as well.
The part, even have an ID badge.
Yeah, that's a brilliant idea.
ID badge, your face on the ID badge. You know, call your customers, make contact with customers, be nice to your customers, whether it's private or commercial.
Hey, I'm here with Charlotte from BUNZL. What one tip would you give to someone starting a new cleaning business?
We think it's really important with any business that you align yourself to the values of the customer and make sure that you're working towards the same common goal that they are.
Perfect. So if someone was starting new today, what could they do to stand out from the competition?
So it's not just about being good at what you say you do. For example, it's not just good about being good at cleaning, it's about making sure that you're adding value to what they do on every day. So making sure that you're looking at new and innovative and productive ways of working for you and your team to drive cost, but also your professionalism and show your expertise in the marketplace.
Hey, I'm here with Daniel, who works for Karcher. What is it that you do at Karcher?
I'm the professional product marketing manager.
And if you could give one bit of advice to someone starting a cleaning business, what would you give?
I would say when identifying the products that you are taking into your business, don't just consider the upfront costs of the product, consider the long-term costs, the total cost of ownership, and features on the product that will help you save time and money in the long run.
Hi, I'm here with Phil and John from Jangro, and I've just asked them what is the one tip they would give to someone starting a cleaning business.
Well, I would say choose your market very carefully.
And how about you?
I would say it's really important to build successful relationships, both with suppliers, customers, staff, and indeed everybody you come across.
So right, be kind to people and it'll pay off.
Yeah, invest in people, give them your time, your professional experience, and be as reliable and responsible as possible, and that will pay dividends without a doubt.
Hi, I'm here with Colin from Host, and what advice would you give to someone starting a new cleaning business?
One of the entrepreneurs, I would suggest that you should invest strongly in social media. It's a good place to start, lots of business from standing point. Other aspects are probably looking at a good website, it's a shop window, and changing that shop window on a regular basis is quite important. Internet's a big thing now, whether you're on a train, a plane, sitting at home, that's where most of your business is going to be found, on social media and websites.
Buy quality and vetted products.
Absolutely, every time, absolutely. You know it's being tested and you know it's guaranteed.
Qualifications, again, that just gives you confidence, but also knowledge too.
So here you can see we have so many nuggets of advice, but all of them are completely different. All of the leading experts in the cleaning industry are offering different advice for starting a cleaning business. And that got me thinking, there is no one way to success. If all of these experts that have tried and tested these techniques are using different ways to get into the top of their field, there mustn't be one way to get to the top of your field, right? So my advice is, yes, listen to the experts because truly they know what they're talking about, but don't focus too much on what everybody else is doing because there is no one way to the top. Instead, stick to what you know is building a profitable business and keep doing it. Keep your head down and grow that successful cleaning business that's going to give you a better life for you and your family. Best of luck, and I cannot wait to see you at the next cleaning show.
Marketing tools that win you more work. Digitool.